Query number 29. Parent have mentioned that she has a child 5 years old, and child is facing difficulties in being flexible. Uh, the exact issue parent have mentioned that when they are playing a game, child is not able to accept defeat in it, like not winning the game is not accepted by the child, and for this she has mentioned as this as the problem. So if we see overall, problem actually is that child is not very flexible with situations, and now another thing we see is that normally in our society, we have taught our children, we have taught ourselves that we have to be competitive. Okay, so everyone is in a competition, and we very not even like what do you call that, not even consciously, but we are without any consciousness we do it, that we do it very automatically, that if a person is winning, then we become happy, we show happy face and everyone is happy, wow, you are a winner kind of. And when one is not losing the game, then we show a little, like we don't purposely do it, it is embedded inside us, like we are like that only. So we, what we do is we show sad face, we, oh you lost kind of. Okay, so the child has seen these happening, which is very normal, everyone does like that only. Okay, so now for the child how it is, that if I win then only it is good, if I lose then it is not good. So good and not good is the differentiating for the child. So it is possible that that is why child is getting very frustrated when she is not winning a particular game. So what I suggest is, we need to show the child that it is okay, and it is going to take time, because as the child has got this idea that winning is only good, losing is not good. So that is why you see all that acceptance issues here. So we have to show the child on daily basis, slowly, that losing is okay, leaving something incomplete is okay. Like for example, you start with a game, in the middle you leave the game. For example, you start drawing in front of the child, you just draw the eyes and nose and you leave the mouth without drawing it. So show the child that being incomplete is okay, being a loser is okay, being like, we have to make the child flexible, we have to show the child that these all things are also okay, so that that rigidity pattern of like you have to win, you have to complete a task, you have to that will be like acceptable, the flexibility will come. Okay, so this doesn't mean that we are teaching the child that leave the task and go kind of. Okay, this, we are putting the idea to the child, we are trying to tell the child that we have to be flexible with life. Sometimes something will happen suddenly, but we have to accept it. So acceptance for any situation will come slowly when we be flexible like this in front of the child. So I hope you are getting the whole idea. Okay, and I also suggest that take proper assistance from the professionals for like the language therapy or speech therapy. If you are doing, please take help from them, because I can see that it can also be a lack of verbal expression with your child. She is not able to express properly, completely whatever she is feeling, that can also lead to frustration. So it is not enough that the child is just verbal. Okay, child, I have seen children who are verbal, they can talk but they cannot express. Expressing completely and being verbal is very different. you can be verbal, but it is possible that you don't know how to express. Okay, so keep working on the language. Even if the child is verbal, we have to keep on working on the language until a stage comes wherein the child is they are themselves able to express so much that you get that feeling that yes, this is enough. Okay, so for example, now if you see my child's, if you hear her or see her videos, you will feel that she is very verbal. But I'm still working on language. Why? Because I know that some areas she still is not that much expressive the way she should be. So it is a long procedure. Like we have to keep on working on the language, and we have to keep on enhancing their verbal language, expressive language. It is very, very, very important. Like nothing is more important than that, because that will lead to delay, or that will lead to reduction in frustration in the child, the overall frustration for everything, so that the child can just express herself in words and reduce her frustration. I hope this is helping you out, this answer. As I said, this is all my experience, so it doesn't have to be like this is the only solution. There can be many other solutions. So keep looking for solutions from other sources as well, and also talk to a speech language pathologist so that they can help you improve the language skills of your child. Thank you.